Hi, I'm David with the DroneSense customer success team, and today I want to introduce you to an exciting new feature in the DroneSense mobile application, and that is augmented reality. Our customers know that we've offered the ability to drop markers in the DroneSense mobile application, both from the camera view seen here using that sensor point of interest, the center point of the camera, or in the map view as well using the same functionality. For the first time, those markers are available as augmented reality overlays in the video view. And I want to give you a really quick demonstration of that. That is a school off in the distance. And let's say the scenario is your team is out conducting a search and rescue operation for a lost child, and the drone operator sees a point of interest. We'll go ahead and zoom in. Okay, from this point, the functionality is the same. We're going to go ahead and select our markers. We are going to select victim detected, and I'm going to go ahead and place that marker. Now that marker comes into the augmented reality view there. And as I zoom out, that marker is going to stay in position. And as I come into the map view, the marker is in position as well. And of course, I've got the same functionality where I can access the coordinates of that marker and share those out directly from the application as well. And of course, this marker is visible in Operations Hub as well. It is just fantastic functionality. It's very easy to turn on and turn off, and I want to show that to you very quickly. Accessing the settings in DroneSense, we're going to scroll down to the new augmented reality marker here, and the icon we can enable or we can disable. And if we see that now, that marker is disabled, and let's go ahead and re-enable here from the AR icon, and that marker is back in position. Now, this functionality is currently available for the following DJI drones: the Matrice 350, 300, Matrice 30, the Mavic 3 Enterprise series, and it's also available for the Vantage Robotics Vesper. Now, this is included with our Geospatial package. Many of our customers opt to purchase Geospatial from DroneSense. That gives you the advanced functionality of being able to import GeoTIFF and GeoPDF files both to the controller map as well as the Operations Hub map. So customers that currently have the Geospatial add-on are going to have this functionality enabled as part of that package. Customers that are interested in adding the Geospatial, please reach out to anybody with the DroneSense team, and we're happy to help you. Thanks so much and have a good day.